Earning has become even simpler. All you need to do is register in an app via email account, and you will be paid $8. Then you register with another email, and you get paid another $8. Sounds interesting, right? All you need is a mobile phone and an internet connection. This is one of the easiest ways to make money online. Here are the proofs. I have earned $8 more than 5 times as easily, so you better watch this video till the end. I have shown multiple tips and tricks that can be used to make extra money out of this. Without any further delay, let's get started. Open up your Google Play Store and download an application called Cashify Rewards. It is a free app, just download it. Till this app gets downloaded, let me show you the best comments from my previous video. I would like to thank each of you for your good comments. Your comment can also be featured in my upcoming videos. All you need to do is subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment on it. I will definitely feature your comment in my upcoming videos. Just open the downloaded application. Here you will be brought to the initial interface, where you will be asked to sign up with your email and password, and then they will send a verification to your respective email address. Click on it to verify, and then you are good to go. As soon as you open the application, you will be asked to collect the daily bonus, which will provide you with 15 tickets. By the way, these tokens can be used to collect points, which can be used to withdraw the money indirectly. I will say more about this in a moment. First, let's see the ways to earn from this application. Watch till the end. I will show you an amazing trick for signing up and earning more from this application. First, we have an option to earn money from surveys. You just need to unlock them, and you will be rewarded with 50 points. Then there is this wheel game, which uses your tickets to spin and provides you with random points. Now comes the real game. Here you will find an option called Refer. Just tap on it. Here it is said that if you invite a person, you will be rewarded with 250 points, and the person who entered your referral code will also receive 125 points. All you need to do is copy your referral code and then exit this application. Then you have to open this application again, and you will be asked to log in. Here, you need to provide another email. Since you are watching Dollarify, you should definitely know that Dollarify always comes out with a unique idea. To generate unlimited emails, you can use temporary email websites. You can use any, but here I am using Tempale. You just need to copy the email there and paste it into the application, and you can give a random name and a random password, and you can click on the register button. Here, you will receive a confirmation email with a link embedded in it. You just need to click them to verify your account. After that, you can come back to the application and select the existing option and provide the email and password of the newly created and verified account. After coming to the dashboard, you need to tap on the register button and enter the referral code of your previous account. You can write down your referral code in a notebook or something to avoid clashes on the clipboard. After entering, you will be notified with a successful message. In the new account, you will receive 125 points. Let's check the previous account. Boom! My previous account has been rewarded with 250 points. Let me show you what these points actually are. You will be given a certain amount of time, and within that time limit, you need to earn the maximum number of points. The top 50 people will be rewarded with certain amounts, ranging from $8 to 25 cents. It is a genuine way to make money online. I could say that if you work 2 hours a day properly, then you could easily earn $8 per day, which is quite a good amount, according to me. There are multiple payout options that can be used to pay out your earned cash. You can get your payout in PayPal, Paytm, Google Play gift cards, Amazon gift cards, Paytm, etc. That's it for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then don't forget to like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more amazing content like this. If you want to earn more, then watch this video.
It's not a game.